Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss chutney. Very easy to make with a very few green and healthy ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need a very few green ingredients to make this healthy chutney. The first one is a bunch of coriander leaves. Coriander leaves is a very healthy herbal plant and it has a lot of medicinal properties. It helps in lowering your blood sugar, rich in immune boosting antioxidants, benefits heart health, protects brain health, promotes digestion and gut health, fights against infection and helps in protecting your skin. The next ingredient is a bunch of mint leaves. Mint leaves are rich in nutrients, improves brain function, improves cold symptoms and masks bad breath. The next ingredient is few curry leaves. Curry leaves helps in weight loss, treats constipation, eliminates bacteria, good for diabetics, good for eyesight, reduces stress and heals wounds and burns. The next ingredient is few spinach. Spinach prevents cancer, reduces blood sugar, good for bone health, good for your eyes, reduces hypertension and keeps your body relaxed. The next ingredient is 5 to 8 green chillies. You can alter the number according to the size of the chillies and your tolerance. Green chillies is rich source of vitamin C. It helps for healthy and glowing skin and aids in digestion. The next ingredient is 2 lemon. Lemon support heart health, controls weight, prevents kidney stone, reduces the risk of cancer and improves digestive health. Now let's check out how to make this healthy chutney. Transfer the coriander leaves, mint leaves, curry leaves, spinach, green chillies, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and juice of 2 lemon. Grind this to a fine paste. You need not add any water for this chutney. Now a healthy green chutney is ready. Store it in an 8-8 container in your refrigerator and you can use this for 2 weeks. Very easy to make and a very healthy chutney. This chutney helps in weight loss and boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.